Namaste, my dear students. In our previous video, we learnt about a grammar topic whose name was present continuous tense. Means any activity which is going on currently. कोई ऐसी चीज कोई ऐसी एक्टिविटी जो अब तक चल रही है प्रेजेंट में, मतलब राइट नाउ, जस्ट अभी, and something which is going on. For example, right now I am speaking to you. Okay, so the action of speaking, okay, the word ing is giving the power to the verb speak. Okay, speak एक action word है, एक verb है, and the combination of ing, ये जो हम ing लगा देते हैं, speak ing, okay, it is giving the power to the verb and it is making it continuous. मैं अभी बात कर रही हूँ. I am speaking. Okay. So we saw a few examples in our previous video about present continuous tense. So we stressed more on ing, on the magic of ing. For example, whenever we use ing after any word, जब भी हम ये मैजिक कॉम्बिनेशन किसी भी वर्ब के एंड में ऐड करते हैं तो वो उसे किस तरह कंटिन्यूस बना देता है, एक ऐसी एक्टिविटी जो चले जा रही है. ओके, लेट्स टेक अप अगेन फ्यू एग्जाम्पल्स. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, स्लीपिंग, सोना, सिंगिंग, गाना, डांसिंग मतलब नाचना, एंड स्टैंडिंग, खड़े हो जाना, ओके, सिटिंग, बैठ जाना, okay, shouting, चिल्लाना. Okay, all these are some actions. They are verb. Okay, वो verb है and whenever we add this ing, okay, वो उस activity को continue करता है. So my dear students, it is very important for you all to understand that our life is divided into 3 phases. हमारी लाइफ के 3 फेजेस होते हैं, 3 पार्ट्स में डिवाइडेड होती है. 1 इज प्रेजेंट, मतलब अभी, जो लाइफ में अभी चल रहा है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इन दिस ईयर 2020 देयर इज अ स्प्रेड ऑफ कोरोना वायरस. ओके, वी ऑल आर फेसिंग अ पेंडेमिक राइट नाउ. सो 1 टाइम इज जो अभी हम सबकी लाइफ में चल रहा है. द सेकेंड वन इज द पास्ट. पास्ट मीन्स पिछला, जो ऑलरेडी हम फेस करके आ चुके हैं, हमारी लाइफ के पास्ट ईयर्स, ओके, जो गुजर चुके हैं. सो इन इंग्लिश वी कॉल इट पास्ट टेंस. टेंस मीन्स टाइम, पिछला वक्त. 1 इज प्रेजेंट टेंस. प्रेजेंट मीन्स जो वक्त अभी चल रहा है, प्रेजेंट टेंस, जो वक्त अभी चल रहा है. एंड 1 इज फ्यूचर टेंस. ओके, फ्यूचर मीन्स समथिंग जो हम में से किसी ने नहीं देखा है, तब क्या एक्टिविटी होगी लाइफ में. ओके, वी डोंट नो अबाउट दैट. सो फ्यूचर इज समथिंग जो हम नहीं देख सकते हैं, बट वी नो दैट थिंग्स विल हैपन इन फ्यूचर. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, व्हेन वी ऑल आर यंग, ओके, हम सब सोचते हैं दैट वन डे आई विल बी अ पायलट, अ डॉक्टर, अ टीचर, अ लॉयर, एट्सेट्रा. ओके, बट वो सारी चीज़ें, वो सारे ड्रीम्स जो हम आगे के लिए देखते हैं, ओके, it is known as future tense. So now I would like to share with you about my past day, my present day and my future or upcoming day. So my past day was yesterday. That was a Sunday. And yesterday I was resting all day. And I also went in my garden with my family for a walk. I was walking in the garden yesterday and I was eating very yummy food all day because it was a Sunday. So we all deserve a good rest, good food and a good life. So yesterday was very interesting. So yesterday I was eating, I was resting, I was walking, and it was an interesting day. So did you notice that the word was is everywhere in the past tense. हम जब भी past tense की पिछले दिनों की बात करते हैं तो उसका हम साथी हम सफ़र होता है ये word was. Okay, so whenever I talk about myself, okay, I will use was. I was doing this, I was doing that, I was sleeping, I was resting, I was walking. Okay, so whenever we talk about past tense, make sure that you use was. But also yesterday when I was sleeping, there a group of dogs were shouting and disturbing my sleep. Okay, group of dogs, बहुत सारे dogs थे जो बाहर खेल रहे थे. they were shouting and वो मुझे disturb कर रहे थे. but since it was a group, बहुत सारे dogs थे. okay, so I am using were. अगर singular होता मेरी तरह तो was, but since it was a group of dogs, so they were. Okay, whenever there is something plural, we use the word were. The dogs were disturbing me yesterday. Okay, so yesterday was a Sunday, that is October 5, and today is a Monday, present tense, that is October 6, which is still going on. Okay, and today is a beautiful day, and Monday is usually understood as a working day. Monday को हम working day कहते हैं because it is the first day of the week. So right now I am reading a book and I am listening to music. So there are two actions I am doing right now. I am reading and I am listening. Two action words, that means two verbs. But my dog Lucy is sleeping. जो मेरी डॉग है वो अभी she is sleeping. वो सो रही है. वो अपना ही सोने का एक्शन कर रही है right now. And the birds are chirping. There is a very beautiful sound outside. Right now I can listen to some sound, some beautiful voice of birds. Okay, they are chirping. And the flowers are blossoming. Okay, just now I saw a pot of flowers in my garden which is blossoming. Okay, so all these activities are going on right now in front of me, in front of my eyes. So this is known as present tense. जो activity अभी चल रही है. I'm listening, I'm speaking, I'm reading together. Okay, and I'm using the word am. Okay, I am doing this. Okay, whatever we do right now, we use the word am. Okay, and the birds are chirping. So you know there is not one bird. बहुत सारी birds हैं बाहर जो chirping, जो अपना sound, जो अपनी voice निकाल रही हैं. Okay, and they are singing. The birds are singing, if we say. Okay, so I'm using the word are. So past tense में जो काम were करता था for plural, for describing the plural form in past, the same work is done by are in present tense. Okay, and in past we used to use was. जो work was करता था present tense में वो work is करता है, am करता है. I am doing this. Lucy is sleeping. Okay, now we will talk about future tense. So future tense cannot be seen. We cannot see what will be happening in future. आगे जाके क्या होने वाला है. But we do the planning. हम हमेशा future के लिए planning करके रखते हैं. Okay, for example, today I will save money for my future. Okay, आज मैं पैसे बचा के रखूँगी for my future, मेरे आने वाले कल के लिए. Okay, I will be preparing food. Okay, and I will like to have chole bhature. So tomorrow, that is October 7, I would like to have छोले भटूरे as my lunch. Okay, मैंने planning कर ली and I will be having lunch tomorrow and it will be chole bhature. Okay, so for future tense we use the word will be. Okay, so all these are future talks. We will come to this topic later, but for current, that is present time, you need to understand what is present tense, how do we use is in present tense, what is the importance of using was and were. So was and were पिछली बातें, and is, are and am is current बातें. Is for singular, are is for plural, was for singular, were for plural. Now we will very soon do some worksheets regarding this and concepts would become very clear to you. All the best.